Hey guys, I thought I'd show you the installation of the motherboard into the Antec 1200, just in case any of you wanted to see it. So here goes. I've installed everything onto the Sabertooth, and every cable I've routed to the back. I've brought 4 to the front, just so I can do this. I will return it all once I've done the installation of this. Right, there you go. That's the into the padded IO shield. So I'm going to try and go in a kind of opposite motion with the motherboard screws. Just in case you're wondering and you haven't seen any of my videos before, the specs of this is a Intel i7-950 using a Sabertooth motherboard. Uh, 1600 megahertz DDR3, which is Dominator from Corsair. Got a Noctua NH. That's the top to my thingy there. Top to my strap. NH-U12P Special Edition 2 cooler. Corsair Airflow round cooler on there as well. HX850 Corsair power supply. Lots of cables getting in the way. Using a MSI GTX 460 Hawk graphics card. It's not in there yet. Will be though soon. So I'm just going around with these screws, kind of going opposites if I can. Some of the locations isn't actually possible to do opposites, so I'm just going to do it as best as I can. There's one there. Okay. Now it's kind of the screws that are halfway now that are left. Got exactly 9 screws here, so the exact amount. I installed these extra standoffs as well, because you don't get enough on there already. You only get 6. But if you've got as much weight on the motherboard as I have, you're going to want to put all of them on. The camera's actually using this second round fan as a targeting point for a face. It's rather odd. Okay, whatever. Whichever. Right, now we're really gonna do these up now. Really tight. Because there's about 3. Oh wow, that cooler's about 1 kilo. Both the coolers are 1 kilo, sorry. The board is about 1 kilo as well. What's 1 kilo weights going on here? Now these standoffs that are pre-installed are doing up okay, but the ones I installed aren't, so do those up later on with get a little spanner under there. Make sure I've got them all. Sorry if I'm breathing in to the camera, but it's quite difficult doing this, so apologise. So all the ones that I can do up are done up, all the ones I can't aren't. Simple as that. Quite a few of these seem to be spinning. It's in there, so there you go. Sabertooth X58 installed into Antec 1200. Done. Thanks for checking out the video. More on the way. Cheers guys. Bye.